We were at a crucial moment of history, a crucial moment not only for ISEC in India but for ISEC globally. We were the anchor generation of our midterm ambition. We are the people that take the last sprint to ISEC 2020, and if not us, then who will be? And this very question drove us to start a journey of our zestful adventures.
Residency 2019 really helped me step up my experience in ISEC because of the kinds of identity and the plans that MC Zest had for the earth.
Just as JNC ended, we had taken up a dream project of delivering the biggest, world's largest lesson ever, which ended up impacting more than 42,000 children all over India on the 9th of August 2019.
Delivering a world's largest lesson is always so special because you get to bring a smile on those young people's face with just that 1 hour session. We get to empower them and educate them about the SDGs, and also as a team you get such an intense experience of organizing and implementing a huge event.
RYLC as a conference was designed to empower the delegates' mind and unleash the zest within through the course of the conference.
There's a turning point in everyone's ISEC journey where they rethink about the priorities, experience the organization on a holistic level, and realize that ISEC is way bigger than you think it is. So RYLC Southwest 2019 was that turning point for me.
ISEC in India was ready to deliver the greatest winter peak, but we had just begun. It was time to shape the next generation to be ready for the things to come ahead.
So I've had 3 coaches from the current MC, and all the coaching visits have been like a mini conference for the EB. So you have like tons of planning and you have tons of fun at the same time. And of course, like the best part is how you're super motivated by the end of it for the next 6 months.
NBC was a conference that helped me understand the vastly downloading patterns thereby giving me an insight on how I should plan their training.
NBC was the first touch point that we had as the Focus Commission of ISEC in India. The conference was curated beautifully well, and I fell in love with the idea of being a local committee president while understanding the role of Focus Commission in a broader sense.
The leadership baton moved forward to Generation 2020 as we were ready to deliver the NLS of the decade and unwind leadership. What made NLS 2020 even more different and unique was that in surplus to the protocol agenda that we generally have, we also had the beginning of the ISEC 2023 process with the entire delegation, and at the same time we had alumni for the last 5 years present at the venue to share their insights firsthand.
ISEC in India! Yeah! Your member committee president! Your member committee president! For the year 2020!
Moved into 2020, full of new dreams and hope for the future of the organization. It was time to kickstart leadership for the zestiest summer.
NLDS 2020 has been a beautiful experience for me, especially because of MC Zest, how smart, kind, hardworking each one of them is, and thank you so much for tolerating us.
This year we chose to take bold actions. We chose to stand for what is right in everything we did, when that surely wasn't easy by any means. We chose to put the organization first at every step of the way.
We constantly kept exploring the unknown and ventured into the road of things not done before, with full zest.
But something that no one imagined in the wildest of our dreams was in store for us. The world was soon to go into a complete lockdown.
We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
The impact of coronavirus on ISEC was slowly coming to the surface. MNC had to be called off due to certain other reasons as well. and we had to swiftly start understanding how we needed to evolve as an organization with what was happening around us externally.
We did not stop. Stopping was not an option. Coronavirus and the global pandemic could not stop the spirit of the organization. We had to continue our sprint.
So when the virtual XPDF idea was put forth to us, we were very excited but also a little nervous because pulling off an XPDF at a physical level at your local conference with 200 people is hard enough, but pulling it off at a virtual level, that too nationally, is beyond imagination.
This year has been truly one of the most unconventional and unprecedented years, yet a deeply profound one in many ways.
It was certainly overwhelming beyond measure, yet so much was done, and at every step, living to our identity as Zest, we delivered everything we could and did the best that could be. Thank you Generation 1920 for your invaluable contributions to ISEC in India. It has been a pleasure and we wish for you to keep going out loud ahead in everything that you do and in all ways that you dream of.